Last time on Tuesday, on the week of Flutter development, we were working on getting essentially our Flutter development environment set up. We were getting some network call stuff set up as well. So actually calling some SpaceX APIs, which was pretty awesome. And then starting to set up our table and getting those things all together. So the things that we got through were setting up our Flutter environment, setting up our network calls, and then we have a very basic table. It looks like absolute dog doo-doo, but it is there, which is great. And today we're going to be working on fixing up that dev environment, or the table, as well as setting up a information modal when you tap into that table cell to get more information about some cool SpaceX stuff that we have. AB, morning, afternoon, evening. Nice to see you. What's up? What's up? Dr. Dynamite is actually the most important person here, but Let's Roars have the title because he's just awesome like that. Hey, respect. Oh man! Cloud B coming in with a stand-up over. Let's see what we got here. Tesla the king adding to the stand-up, bottom center peeking up. Holy crap, I'm in love. This is incredible. Yes. Tesla, the only cat I wish I had. Yes. All right, let's add this to the stand-up. Folks, make sure you get your stand-up reports in. Let's make sure we know what everyone is up to today so we can have a productive, incredible day while I get this in. I love this. Yes. Thoughts on leaving it like this? Anyone? Straight from the streamer's mouth. Hey. Rude. Yeah. Thoughts? Do we like this positioning here? Can we just put on the screen in the middle? Damn, rude. Yes, B, I appreciate you. Thanks for redeeming your pixels here. Tesla. Love that little cat. Oh. Beautiful. All right. Let's see here. Unruly Hotfixer, what's up? I'm building a budget app in Vue 3 and doing a lot of testing with React Jest Enzyme React Testing Library. Beautiful. Hell yeah. Nice. Hope it's going well. Yag, I added a sound command feature to my bot that I've not worked on since August 2019, according to commit history. Also, finally finishing watching an anime I started like 6 months ago. Hell yeah. Nice. Hey, sound commands sound dope. Brainless Box, I'm working on an Angular website with .NET Core, backend for personal projects. For work, I'm doing ZOS, IBM, mainframe, COBOL, job work. Wowza, that's a mouthful. The past weekend, I backpacked 21 miles with my dad. Camped on the side of a river, was crazy, still sore. That sounds incredible, man. Wowza. I hope that was a good time. Yeah, make sure you stretch it out. CM Joe, welcome, happy days. Roars, yesterday I made decisions on a jam stick for my client work. Heck off WordPress. I put a bid on a house today. We underbid, so we're probably not getting it. Getting started with Gatsby tomorrow. Cobean is going for his snippers. What are we talking here? What are we talking snippers here? Mr. Wormhole building backends with Java and Go as usual. Handling one Next.js app from an accounting company. Okay, nice, beautiful. Aaron, welcome my friend, nice to see you. Cloud B, doing a Bootstrap 4 Udemy course today as I completed the esports website finally. Oh baby. Hey, make sure you share over in our Discord. We'd love to see it if it's something that you can share. Yeah, I'm going through all the chat now. RIP. Yes, beautiful redemption. How long till we get you to the lol commit and you can use points for a git commit? I don't know. We should do that. That's a great idea. Can you leave that in the Discord, Sponge? I would love to go circle back on that. That would be pretty fun. Cream soda waffle, welcome. The song currently playing? Here, I can share it with you. There you go. That's the start. I'm using SoundCloud today, actually. Ryu, what's up? I came at the beginning of the stream. How are you doing? Nice to see you, Ryu. Doing well. Thanks for being here. On time. Appreciate it. And then Oxygen, after 2 weeks, finally finished to get Postgres insert performance to production level. Now we're factoring a writing test for that code. Actually wanted to be a lot farther with that by now. Hey, life happens. Things go on. Claps all around. Good job on your production code, my friend. Get those tests in. Woo! Garion, what's up? Welcome. Hey, Aaron. Yeah, buddy. It's in Discord for you, Alec. I'm off to Ruby nonsense again. Thanks, Sponge. Appreciate it. Appreciate you all being here for the stand-up. Let's get on back down. Let's go ahead and start our day today. But actually, wow, that's a lot of emotes. Before we get fully started, folks, a couple announcements. One, this Saturday, so in Saturday, in 2 days, yes. 2 days, we're having another Saturday stand-up podcast here on the Pixologic Dev channel. It's a podcast where we talk about tech, talk about anything tech related, have some good conversations with a bunch of people here on Twitch. And this Saturday, we're talking with Crossenstein, another game dev streamer here on Twitch. And he's going to talk to us about how he started his own game studio and how it was doing it here on Twitch. So make sure you're here for that this Saturday at 11 a.m. PST. You can also check our other podcasts on YouTube as well as major podcast providers. We've already done 2. So thanks for that. And then folks, again, we're going for a sub goal this month, this September. We've already reached our first goal of 100. Let's see if we can get to 200 subs this month. If we get to 200 subs, you got 200 squats in a row. I can't believe I said that. In a row here on stream, as well as another week of Swift UI / Swift development in general. Let's get it done. Woo! Binary, hello, welcome. Gary, no, we're not doing any sort of global storage in Flutter. If we get time, we'll take a look, but I don't think we're going to get to that in this simple app that we're building. Paulo, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Cryptic Dreams, hello. Welcome in, welcome in. All right, let's do this. So last time, we talked about pretty much what we did. What we're doing today is setting up proper table UI, create navigation flow to get details for each table item, and then set up our rest of our providers to call other APIs. So pretty much what we did, I'm gonna go ahead and actually start with a quick little drawing today. We're not gonna use our whiteboard drawing because I wanted to actually get some proper design on this, just a little bit. So pretty much my thought process was like this, or use a tool that I'm a little better aware of. Pretty much we have our bar up here. We're building this for Android BT dubs. That's what we decided on. Decided on Tuesday that we'll do all of our testing on Android, so not too much iOS stuff going on. Pretty much we have this. Do some text here. Pretty much a very simple table is what we're looking for. Do something like Roadster. I think we had Dragon. And these are all coming again from the SpaceX API. And then maybe like missions or something. Missions. Yeah, here we go. And so I'm thinking just like something small. Maybe, I don't know, about 25 pixels away, something like that. Get a nice little line here. Bop. Something easy peasy like that. 25 pixels. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then another line. Actually, I guess, yeah, maybe 20 away would be pretty good. All right. Beautiful. So I think, obviously, minus the colors, this is something we're kind of working towards right here. Thanks for the lurk, Dynamite. Appreciate you. Mega specs. So specs of my MacBook is a 2016 MacBook Pro. Running Core i7 and 16 gigs of RAM. Stream PC is a Intel 7800X 6-core and GTX 1080 with 32 gigs of RAM. That's a lot of pixels. What with the spacing for the header? Sounds good, Roars. Yeah, thanks, Brandon. Yeah, it's an awesome machine. And hopefully next week I'll have a 3080. That's the plan, at least. Should we use the JetBrains mono font? That would be kind of cool. And should we just pick a quick color? Coolers. I don't know. Let's take a little look. May I ask you if you run Linux better with VirtualBox or dual boot? So are you talking about why? So I guess it depends on your machine, right? I don't have Linux in any way like that. Oh, Spanish gray? Yo, this looks sick. Why don't you just install Linux on a drive in general? If you get a pre-order, yeah, essentially if it comes down to get the pre-order. Hopefully I can. That would be pretty sick. I'd be happy with that. Hey Spartan, yeah, it's gonna be a time. I mean, so there have been a lot of talks around how the 3080 is actually gonna have a lot of people, people who are into Bitcoin mining, just cryptocurrency mining in general. So it's gonna be a little difficult for sure to probably get your hands on stuff. This is kind of a cool-ish gray thing going on here. I just want to put something here. What else we got? Ooh, magic mint? Yo, we're gonna make this absolutely disgustingly beautiful. It's gonna look great. Just grab. Yeah. I kind of am digging this. So this is essentially the first view that we're trying to build, this table here. Love it or hate it, it's gonna be great. I'll maybe do some white. That actually looks kind of sick. It's not a very typical thing going on there. Sick gray? Yeah, I like the gray, right? It looks pretty nice. It's like a flat gray. I don't know. I think the pre-orders will be okay. So I mean, I had a pre-order. I pre-ordered the 1080 when it came out, what, like 4 years ago now? And I had no problems. Obviously this is different, but I don't know. I'm not too worried about it. I think we'll be good. Song, please? Yeesh. Yeesh, yeesh, yeesh. What song is this? Hello. Yo, OT official, what's up? Welcome. Thanks for that follow, by the way. Appreciate that. 2070 Super here. That's a great card. Great card. The contrast hurts your eyes. I know, it's actually kind of bad. It's actually kind of bad. But anyways, this is kind of the it is actually kind of really bad. We should do a darker color, right? I want to keep the green. I like the magic mint. I like me some magic mint. What about this indigo dye? This could be kind of cool. It's like dark bluish. This dark blue thing. Nah. Rich black, nah. Ooh, eerie black. I love the color names. I like me some dark colors. Yeah, yo, there it is. Huh? You can just create a command in Nightbot to link to the playlist. Yes, that's a great call, man. This thing I'm playing. Aaron, would you actually mind just adding that? That'd be freaking awesome. If you just put that as the music command, I would really appreciate it. Yusuf, welcome. Is this the start of Flutter World Dominator? Yes, it is. Yes. Thanks, Aaron. I appreciate you, man. All right. Yeah, so let's go for something like this. I think this is just a very basic flow. And then essentially what we're going to build next is after when you click on one of these things, right? So for example, you have this, you come over here, it's like, boom, we're gonna have some sort of view here. Yep. We're not like super worried about the design right now. We're just trying to get like a basic flow down so you can see what we're doing here and what our goal is for sure. So in general, it's just gonna be like Roadster. Right, something like this. And then maybe like just a block of text. We'll just put Tesla over and over again, because why not? Something like that. And then essentially will just be a description of whatever our API returns here, right? Oh. Yeah. Because this would probably be returned from the Roadster API, right? Tesla. Oh, I guess I could have just copied this view here. There we go. Yes. So we will do a bit more design on that after, but essentially you tap one of these cells and it'll go into there. Do you use React? I do, yeah. Hey, CJ, what's up? Welcome back. Yeah, so we usually do React Native on the project we work here on stream, but since we reached 100 subs last week, we were doing a full week of Flutter. So we're gonna build some Flutter stuff, so some very basic stuff to get to know it a little more, and then we're gonna go ahead and Flutter run, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and probably do like a comparison at the end to see how it is. Is it not? I already forgot the command. Oh, Flutter start. Right. That makes sense. What? Hello? Am I? What? Did I not do something correctly here? Where did you go, dear? Oh, run Flutter? What? It's not. What? What's gonna stop? No, it can't be run Flutter. Why am I listening to you? Why am I doing this? Sub environment, create foot, yeah, okay. Run the app. Flutter run, yes, okay. Oh, the first time you run a physical, it can be, okay. So what is the problem here? No pub spec. Oh, wait a second. We're not in the right folder. That's weird. Okay, that makes more sense. We had to go one level deeper. Devices? Hello? Did I try Flutter? Yeah, I did. Flutterthon 2020. Boom! And we're doing it right now. I have, yeah, thanks for asking, yes. What's up, Advic? Yeah, thanks. RM-RF, stop oxygen, get out of here. Oh, true, I always forget about that. Oh, to run the emulator, right. So Flutter, emulators, we have to launch it first. I gotta write this down. I did this last time. Yes, let's launch our Pixel. Hey Ruiz, what have you studied? So I went to school for information technology, which is IT. Hey, don't forget. Flutter emulators launch. Yeah, that should do the trick. Now if we do Flutter run, we should be good to go. So this is one of the things that I definitely don't like about Flutter compared to React Native. React Native, it's a small thing, so nothing too crazy. But React Native has the ability to pick up any simulators or emulators that are currently running, and then you could just run it on that. On device, though, I actually haven't tried. I don't know what the difference is there. Yeah. Hey, Robert, what's up? Nice to see you back. What is React? I only know Flutter. Awesome. So this is our current setup. As you can see, this is our very, very small table. We just have our quick little banner up here, as well as, yeah, our table that we were working on. So this is what we left off on. If you actually look down here, probably better if you can see it here. So you'll see right here, this log statement, Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster is an electric sports car, blah, blah, blah. This is an actual call going to the SpaceX API that we were actually able to print out some data back from. And this was actually really cool. It was my first time like setting up a proper provider and stuff. So we created this model here for the response of this call. So this is all the data that we're gonna get back from the SpaceX Roadster API call, which is great. So it just does all the mapping for us to begin with. And I used a really fancy like model mapping tool from the JSON response. And then I first wrote this singleton service provider. So we're using Dio, which is just another fancy network library for Flutter. And it pretty much just creates this thing called a singleton. And anytime we initiate this class, we check to see if the singleton is there. And essentially, if it's not, then we return initialized version of Dio, which you can see we've done here. And then we have our provider here. So our provider is the thing that will actually fetch it. So we have Roadster provider specifically for the Roadster API. We fetch the data, essentially just get our service manager instance. We do a get request on it, and then we do our mapping that essentially does from JSON to our response data and returns that. So did a lot of that on Tuesday, which is really cool. Oh, can you, Otzi? Okay, good to know. Yeah, when we're done with the project, so tomorrow's technically the last day of the Flutter week of Flutter. So I'm gonna post it all up on GitHub so everyone can take a look. So I will most likely post it in Discord. So make sure you join on the Discord. You can definitely get a link to that there for sure. All right, cool. So we have that there. Oh, right. Future Builder. Yeah. So essentially, what we wanted to do was we wanted to build the table and utilize Future Builder at some point. So really, all we have right now is this. We have this widget here called Space Data Table State. Space Data Table. I forgot about that. And pretty much this is our very basic UI of the body. Have some border, and then our children is just a bunch of table rows. And so we're actually starting to work on building a table row widget here. So we just called Space Data Table Row. And I thought we replaced those. Did I? Oh, I did. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so we're actually designing these right here to get those started. So I want to look into a little bit more on how to make the table an actual like table and not what it is, because obviously this table looks like a doo-doo. So we're gonna do that. The coding guy, what's up? Thanks for the follow. Welcome. If we get to 250 subs, he will do a "What can you make in 28 days" Flutter edition. Oh god. Oh man. You may not be wrong. Okay, so let's look at, I guess, just some basic table row stuff for the UI here. Data column width and or default column width and default vertical alignment arguments must not be null. Okay. See, a lot of people use data table. The thing is, we don't really need a data table. I just want some basic design on this stuff. I wonder if it does make sense to use a data table though. I had my issues with requesting data from an API and had to code my own cache service. It was a pain in the ass and still won't work properly for me. Wow. Oh, sorry about that. First time seeing Flutter stream here on Twitch? Hell yeah, well, welcome. Glad it's here with me, someone who doesn't use Flutter a lot. Let's go. But we got this, we can do this. Okay, so Flutter has a table class for this, but you can still do it using a simple row column combo. Oh, I guess, you know, the other thing is we could also just kind of do that too. Hey, Samuel, welcome back. So if you have one row, the row widget is more appropriate. If you have one column, the silver list or column widgets will be more appropriate. Row size vertically. Oh, I see. Yeah, so I guess, I mean, we just have a column. That would make sense. Actually makes a lot of sense. Instead of using a full out table, we just use column then. Okay, I like this idea. I like this. Row with children, yeah, or column. What are you actually looking for? So I was just looking to see, so the regular table class in Flutter, I mean, it looks like doo-doo, right? There was no way to design this. So I was looking to see if we can get a better UI design out of it, but I didn't want to have to use something like a data table because in all honesty, we don't really need it in this view at least. So I was just, yeah, essentially just trying to create a list of items pretty much, but I didn't even think about doing like row column combo for sure. This is a good point. Yeah, so then I think at this point, what we can do, we just do something like this, right? We can just add our space data table row, like that. Oops. Yeah, here we go. Just something very simple. And see what we get here. Not too many. Nice. Okay. Oh, I forgot. We just do debug, so then we can get the fanciness going. Or run. Yeah, here we go. We'll see how this looks. It should just be very simple. So let's let that thing launch and go from there. Guy, what's up? Welcome. Dart fun. What's up, Marco? Yeah, yeah. Doing the darts. Doing the darts there. Yeah, so basically right now we're just literally returning some text. But if we want it to look like this, right, pretty much we're going to want to set some sort of, we're going to use some sort of just container around the text. So probably put some sort of row and then the text inside of that thing and go from there. You never use debug? I never use debug in VS Code. No, a lot of the projects I work on I don't utilize it well. So yeah. But I always forget that Flutter has like this integrated debug stuff. Okay, cool. All right, so we have our space data table here. Let's go ahead and we can create a row option here. So pretty much, I think what we can do is do this. So let's grab our text, maybe do row, and then inside row we have children, I'm going to guess. Man, did I get that first try? Did I get that first try? Let's go. Usually I wouldn't get that. Okay, so we have a row. A row's gonna have some children, and I think on the row what I want to do is I want to set a height to begin with, right? How can I do this? Oh, a list. A row has a list of children. Okay, yeah, that's what I got. Text direction. Is there a height? The height of a column. Dart is Tiffany. Yeah, no, I have it set up for React Native. I just haven't done it. I haven't done it in Flutter yet. Bootstrap? The heck? Flutter! Get out of here. Let's see. Oh, right. So there's container. I see. So maybe we want to do, instead of row, we want to do container. Yeah? And then inside container, we can give it a height. So let's say like 44. And then does container have a child? Yeah, it has a child. Okay, cool. Hey, there we go. Now we're cooking with some gas. Did I hear Bootstrap? Yeah, I don't know why. I just searched for Bootstrap. Yeah, looking for that Bootstrap there, eh? Yeah, thanks, Otzi. Are you going to reset the Flutter counter? I don't know. That's a great question, Jack. Maybe we should. List view is what you should look for, I guess, with list tile. So from my understanding, a column returns a list in general. So I think we should be okay. The only thing that I don't know about in iOS, or like, I don't know if, so iOS usually when you set up like a UI table or a table view, it has, you can do like the bouncing with the scrolling, which is really nice. I guess here we're not gonna have that, which is okay, but you know, it is what it is. All right, how tall is this thing? So if I was gonna get this, let's get our design spec here of 70. Ooh, a good old 70. We'll do a 70, and then we'll just do, I think that's good to go there. And then we're gonna want to do a text. Can we do text align? I think so. Text align? Oh man, I forgot how to do this properly. Is it like add text align Flutter? Because text align is like the object or something, right? Oh, alignment? Oh, you wrap the alignment, I see. We got over 300? Yeah, we got a lot. Yeah, sorry, we're not doing any bootstrap right now. My bad. Yeah, no, I know. It's, yeah, I was talking about how do I properly set up a text align. Text style, I see. Yo, what's up, Michelle Dev? Okay, cool. Thanks for sharing, I suppose. Yeah, it's a class. We still love you. Thanks, B. Appreciate that. Yeah, no, I'm trying to get the essentially, I want the text to be column aligned or vertically aligned. So you're saying here, oh, text style and then text style, I see. We have to create a, this thing actually have a text style on it? Oh yeah, it's that style, okay. Stratman Media, thanks for the follow. Woo! Does this not text style? Oh, is that something? So text style? Text style is an object. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, okay. So this is one of those things about Flutter that has just like, it just irks me. I don't know why for me it's just so weird. It's such a weird thing to do. So if we look at what text style is, text style okay, has background color, font size, font weight, letter spacing, word spacing, text baseline. Okay, interesting. I actually don't see anything for text align. So this might not actually be what we want here. This is for the actual text itself, right? So it's yeah, but it's more so the alignment, right? So couldn't we also just do the alignment object like they're saying? Wrap text with center. Yeah. Main axis alignment center. It could be that, yeah. What's up, Datsiko? Yeah, you can always wrap it in center. The problem is if I wrap this whole if I wrap this whole thing in center. Wait. Okay, text. Here. Center. Can I not wrap my center like this? Oh, do I have to give this thing like a child or something? Widget, yeah, okay. Yeah, so this happens, which we don't want. We just want it to, we want a vertical center. Can I do that? Nah. Aaron! What the? What in the? Missing child, stop. Aaron! What? We just gotta put up the desk. Gotta get that Swift UI week. We're gonna squat it up. Squat it up right now. Woo-wee. Aaron coming in with the 10. Count them, 1-0. 10 gifted subs. Jesus Christ, dude. Saluti, thank you so much for that. Marco Dev, Tank Fodder, Jagan, Matis Slavnik, High Flicker, Big Jam Dog. You got sponged, Reynold, and Waza Toots. Welcome to the Pixology team as interns. Give a huge clappers and salutes and poggers to our mod, Aaron. Dude, thank you so much for that, man. Yeah, it's bringing us closer to our Swift UI goal. 138. Woo-wee. Wowza. Thank you, dude. For real. Really appreciate you and that support. That's freaking incredible. How many channel points to shave your hair? Oh, man. I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm trying to grow it out. I can't shave it. We just want the squats, let's be honest. No one cares about Swift. Let's just do the squats. 250 subs. I definitely did not agree to that. Aaron, dude, thank you again for those subs. Appreciate you, dude. Woo! All right, we'll squat it back down for the subs, for the 10 gifted subs. Here we go. Squatting it. Yeah. Squatting it down. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Appreciate that, dude. All right, let's try to figure out how to center things, eh? Let's do this center thing. Cross axis alignment in your row. Oh, I see. I probably want it on the container, right? So I think there's an alignment. There's alignment in here, right? Is there alignment? Ish, okay. And then it's text, probably text align. Vertical center. Or no. Oh, I guess what is, alignment geometry. Alignment geometry? Or can I just do alignment? And then we had the cross. Let's see what, I'm curious to see what this does. Okay, so that alignment does, wow, excuse me. Well, with 250 subs, you'll be able to get a good haircut. Probably so. Oh, control plus. Yeah, that's true. Oops. Actually don't have that. I think that was something you had to set up, right? Yeah, let's see center left. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay. So we have our container. Each container has the alignment. So to better understand this here, all right, we have a row, right? This is one of our rows. It's wrapped in a container that has an alignment center to the left, okay? And then it has a height of 70, and the child component inside of it's a piece of text, which is this. And so that gives us the ability to align it there. And then in general, what we want is some padding probably around this thing, right? Padding's a thing here, right? And so this has child as well. I remember padding, if I'm not mistaken. And then padding needs, oh. Do like 15.0 or something? Or is it just 15? God, I can't type. I cannot type today. Oh, well, I mean, I guess that's edge. What is this thing called? Wait, padding has padding? Oh no, padding, I forgot. Padding does the automatic padding for you, right? Something like that? Yeah, sure, coding guy, yeah. You can get, yeah, it's too jacked to be crazy. Command dot. Yeah, I think command dot for most things, right? Oh, command dot wrap. I see. Okay, so command dot is the wrap with whatever. So if we go back to, if we had this originally, our text, let's see if we can get the command dot stuff working. Yeah. Command dot, yeah, wrap with padding. Hey, there it is. Okay, this makes sense. And then instead of edge insets left, or all, we can do, I want to do dot. Oh, really? Oh man, that's kind of bleh. Meh. Oh, come. There it is. Okay. So this is my gripe with Flutter in general. This is like, no. Samuel, thanks for the water, by the way. Appreciate it. I don't understand how this is a thing. Like, and I honestly, I would love all of your opinions on this, because for the people that use Flutter and are like, you know, passionate about using Flutter, do you find this sort of UI development easy, or like, do you find that it makes sense to you at all? I can't get down with it. I don't know why. I just can't. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I appreciate it. Prensa, I prefer it over CSS. Really? Okay, valid. Otzi, that's pretty easy to learn. I learned Flutter within 2 days and main app within 2 months. Nice. Okay, cool. Feels weird when you're starting. Same happened with me, but I guess you got used to it within a week or so. Okay. All right, so maybe it's just one of those things you learn. Because so I don't know. I guess since I started with a CSS background, doing like design stuff like this, like this object wrapping, I don't know, this padding crap is the weirdest thing to me. I've never understood it. You know, it's like, it's just weird. It's just weird. But maybe that's just because of like, you know, where I came from and such. Okay, so with the padding, let's go ahead and add our also 20 top and 20 below. So I guess we can do top as well, I hope. top, right, bottom, left. Yeah, here we go. So we add a little bit more padding up and above. Between, essentially if we want to get those dividers, right? I think there is a divider. Is there a divider class? Yeah, okay. That's cool there. I like that. So you see we have the divider right there. It's very small, but essentially we just made our own table row. Boom, easy. Should we get the color of this thing? Oh, it's just white? Oh, but I guess we gotta put the background, right? Yeah, debug, it is true, OT. Yeah, I agree with you. Like, people understand CSS, great call. They really don't. Just a quick reminder, don't forget about the poll if you want to do it today. Oh, yes. I didn't even think about it. Yes. All right, I'm gonna make sure I set a reminder for myself. To do it at the end of the stream. Yes. Sorry, folks. Give me 1 second. I have in my reminders. Pre-order 3080. Man, I hope I can get one. I'm gonna be sad. It's gonna be sad if I can't. I won't be sad. I'll just have to wait. You just wait a little longer. No big deal. Let's do this. Okay. Cool. Yeah, thanks, B. You want to fill the rest? No, I think that's good. I think that's pretty solid. But thanks, Otzi. Yeah. Yes, Sponge. I totally forgot. Get the 3080. I am. I hope so. Tell folks about. Oh, I did make a pretty large purchase the other day, and I'm very excited about it. I got a new monitor finally. I've had my monitor set up probably for like 6 years, maybe a little longer. It's a great monitor. Currently, I have the Predator. Oh man, what is it? Predator Acer. I have this Predator Acer monitor. Yeah, this guy. So I've had this thing for like, man, I've had it for like literally 5 or 6 years. It's an incredible monitor, 144 hertz refresh rate. It's an IPS panel. It's 2560 by 1440, which is really awesome. But I wanted to get the 3080, and I'm like, I want to have a better screen if I'm gonna get that. So I ended up actually buying the Samsung Odyssey G9. And if you all haven't seen that, it's the newest curved monitor from Samsung. Jesus Christ, that thing is crazy. It's this guy here. So it's a 49-inch 1000R curved display. It's freaking insane. I'm really excited for it. It has a 240 hertz refresh rate. And then it's also, I don't know if it's, yeah, yo, man, this thing looks wild. But yeah, it's 5K across and 1440p in height. Oh, nice, sicko. Yeah, hell yeah, that's a great monitor too. Yeah, this thing is wild. It's pretty good. I finally saw it on, it's been out of stock, but I found it. I was like, yes. Yeah, this thing is gonna be pretty wild, so I'm excited, but I'm kind of sad because I think I'm gonna have to take my desktop off my desk because it's not gonna work. I don't think it's gonna be able to fit. Yeah. Oh, see, yeah, it's like monitors last a while, so it's like if I'm gonna upgrade my card, like, I think it's time to upgrade my monitor setup as well. So, yeah. But yes, that's what I bought yesterday. I'm very excited for it. Hopefully, it's supposed to be here next Monday, apparently. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so I was like, this will be a good, nice change of my setup. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so I want to do a thickness on this. I want to make it a little thicker. Yeah, buddy. Okay. And then, should we add one more divider down here? Yeah. Yeah. And then we're gonna change, I guess we gotta change our background color, right? So I think the big thing that we can do here, is there a background color on this thing? I can't remember. Oh. Background color is, okay, awesome. Let's add the background color. So app bar title, background color, and we know our background color is going to be, I forgot the name of this color, but whatever this thing was Shiak. Oh, what can we use? Background, it's a color. We have to do color from, ARGB. I think we had to do it like this. So I have the ARGB values here that we can get. 21, 21, 21. Okay. Oh, is that for the top bar only? On fire running that? Yo, I know, I'm a little nervous, Sponge, for sure. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Yeah, McAndrews, Samsung does make like very average software. Oh, right. Cream soda, true. And something like that. Oh, okay. Cool, cool. Pre-made colors, nah. Yeah, that's right. It was color with the, it was like this, right? I thought it was that. Wait, is this the right color, right? Am I looking at, oh, I'm looking at the wrong color, I think. No, this is the right color. Oh, but it's for the app bar that I have it in. Oops. Oh, background color is not defined. How do I do a... Oh, no, I did do it right. Okay. So scaffold is there. I just put it in the app bar, which was the problem. So if I do that, hey there, where did everything go? Hello? Oh, OXFF? Ah, there it is. Okay. Okay. And then let's do our text color here. Yeah, thanks for the heads up there. Yeah, OXFF. What's up, Nino? Welcome. Okay, and then we want the text color for these things, right? So I think there is a color. Have you tried Flutter? Heck yeah, I've tried Flutter, Flutterthon 2020, and right now. And right now. During our week of Flutter. Is there no text color here? Oh, is it through style again? I see. Text style. Yes. Style. Here we go. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this. Think I'm getting it. Text style. Style. Color. Boom. Boom. What happened? No, not child. We're still in text. Oh, does it have to be this first? And then that. Hey, there it goes. Yeah, yeah. I don't think Alec has ever touched Flutter. Hey, we're touching it right now. What do you mean? App bar background color body. Well, so the reason why I didn't do that is because the app bar, I guess. All right. No, you're right. Makes sense. Looks better. Okay. Boom, here we go. Look at this. Beautiful. We're we're gonna be in yikes. We're gonna be in UI land all day today, it looks like. Color, okay. Color. What was this thing? Color white? There's a way to do this, right? Yeah, pre-made colors. Colors dot white. There we go. I guess I should make this divider into a widget, right? Since you see we're reusing this value so many times, it probably makes sense to do that. And then we should probably change our top bar color to also be that same green. I would propose. Oh, wow. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's, oh, because that's the white background, I think. Okay, and then what's our font size that we put on this? We put a size 18. There we go, look! Simple. My work here is done. See ya, UI land. Yeah, I feel like we get... I like doing UI stuff, you know what I mean? I can't help it. I like it. Okay, Natis. Welcome, thanks for that follow. There we go, boom. Easy. So here's the next step. We have something very basic, obviously. Oh, can we change the font family? I feel like we got to use this. I feel like we got to do it, right? Is there a font family on this thing? We should use freaking, we should use JetBrains Mono because we're hackers, right? +1 to hackers. Hooah! Thanks for that follow. Welcome to the team. You should add commas after those. Oh, you're talking about here? Oh, nice. Heck yeah. Good call out. I wish that was kind of just... Yeah, excuse me. I wish it did on its own. Yeah, there we go. Hell yeah. Good call out. Hack the planet. Comic Sans, Comic Sans. Does Flutter bundle fonts? I have no idea. We're about to find out. Oh, you have to import the font files into the project. It's common practice, put the font files in fonts or assets folder at the root of Flutter project, and then declare the font in pub spec once you've identified a font. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. The thing is, most of the time, like if you're doing, in my opinion, depending on like what your app is, using like the built-in fonts for each platform is actually pretty good. Just because it's more native to the device, right? But there are obviously a lot of apps out there that also don't do that, that use custom fonts. Google Fonts? Oh, I see. McAndrews, what is this? Silicon Valley series font? Really? Is this a thing? It's pretty funny. Nice. There is this package. Yeah, no, I have the font files on my computer already. I just wanted to get the JetBrains Mono. I don't think Google Fonts has JetBrains Mono. Does it? No, right? Like you have to actually have the... Oh, they have Space Mono. Oh, this is actually pretty close. I'll take this. So we don't have to do it. Hey, Lax, welcome. Nice to have you back. Yeah, might as well just grab this, right? And so this was Google Fonts. Oh, wow, that's pretty slick. So does this give you access to all the Google fonts out there? Wow. Dark Dev, welcome. Hey, doing good, Lax. Doing good. Huh. Wow, that's actually pretty slick. Okay. Let's do that. Why not? That's pretty nifty, as some might say. Pretty nifty. And then pub get, right? Oh, right. When I save, it does it for me. He said nifty. Nifty is a great word, you know? Nifty is a great word. Wow, so it's that easy. So we get that, and then usage was, it's literally just this is Google Fonts. Okay, this is a lot to go through just to get fonts, but a lot easier than probably most other platforms, which is good. Yep. So at this point, do I have to do? Oh, it's a. Oh, I see. I see. Okay, so if I take this, I'm just gonna comment this out right now. Google Fonts dot the thing. Okay. Ah, nice, dude. Let's go. Let's just do space mono. Yeah, there it is. Okay, and then I can add, I guess, everything else in here, I'm assuming. Yeah, that looks about right. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, this is incredible. Nice. Don't worry, Yag. Those are all the words I say. Nifty. What else? Flutter, I guess. Yeah, nice. Okay. That's pretty sick. That is pretty sick, not gonna lie. Nice. Cool. That's close enough to JetBrains Mono where we don't have to actually add in the we don't have to add in the font files. Okay, cool. And then obviously the next thing we need to do is add the same font over to our title here. So style. Oh, it needs to import Google Fonts, I think, first. Yeah, auto import. Wait for it to do its thing. Yeah, there we go. Oh, right. I keep forgetting that we got to put the title here first. There we go. Nice. Yeah, it's been pretty good, OT, yeah. Oh, inside theme data. Yeah, we should do that, right? It has to be, yes, I keep forgetting. Link, yes. Give me 1 second. Cool. Yeah, I think for now we'll do this, and then let's move on to actually making these items tappable. And then essentially we want these to navigate over to another view. That's kind of the next big thing here, and then we'll go ahead and add all the theme data stuff and whatnot. This keyboard's for my stream PC or my gaming PC, and then this one's for my Mac. Yeah. Awesome. So since we have the Roadster API stuff, let's go ahead and yeah, let's make a tappable link. Don't forget to order your GPU. The alert will keep you informed. Thanks, Painless. Not until the 17th. So a week from today. You just left a link on an account? Oh, Hozgram. I'm sorry, I thought this was the actual song. H-O-Z Graham. 7 Blizz, thanks for that follow, welcome. What was I doing? Oh yes. Tappable view Flutter. Let's see, I'm not sure. Ew, numpad. Gross. Touchable view Flutter? I guess it's just you handle a tab. Do you have to add a gesture detector? Oh, I see. So we put the whole thing inside a gesture detector. We add an on tap, essentially action, and then the container is what our stuff is going to be in. Okay. Yeah. Some of us use numpads. Numpads are bad. I do use it more than I thought. Microsoft have a search engine? Yeah, Microsoft has Bing. Nice, okay. Gesture detector, let's do it. All right, so essentially what we want then is we want to wrap our entire, I guess, can we do gesture detector here? Or do we have to, okay, we're still gonna wrap that. That kind of stinks. That's right. Let's see, we'll do this. Gesture detector. Like that, take our container. Go here. And this has to be a child. Oops. Nice. Okay. So we have our child container, and then we need our on tap, right? Yeah, and this is where we just call our thing. All right. Easy enough. Easy enough. You can use Inkwell if you want a cool ripple effect. Oh. Are you reinventing the list tile widget, which has an on tap? Potentially so, yeah. Yeah, that's all right, coding guy. I forget sometimes. I'll remember eventually. Inkwell. Yeah, how? So is Inkwell just the same deal? All right, easy. So if I go here, hey, there we go. Yeah, buddy. Look how fancy, huh? I'm too fancy. All right, so at this point, what do we do now? We're probably gonna have to pass along our spicy. We're probably gonna have to pass along our data at some point. But what we can do is at the end, pretty much we can start with just saying, cool, on tapping this thing, we go over to this other view here that's gonna look something like that. So the next thing is, how do we navigate properly in Flutter? Screenplay is called routes. Okay, makes sense. Routes. Create 2 routes. Okay, so first create 2 routes to work with. Since this is a base example, each route contains only a single button. Tapping the button on the first route navigates to the second screen. Tapping the button on the second route returns to the first route. See you later, McAndrews. Thanks for hanging out, my friend. Peace. No, so Oxygen, the cool thing about Flutter is it has its own navigation library already prepackaged. We don't have to worry about adding in a navigation library like React Native. Yeah, that was a time. That was the time. Okay, so these are just widgets, right? That makes sense. And so it's navigate to second route using navigator.push. So to switch to a new route, use navigator.push method. The push method adds a route to the stack of the routes managed by the navigator. Where does the route come from? You can create your own or use material page route, which is useful because it transitions to the new route using platform-specific animation. Yes, I want that. So on pressed, so within the first route widget, on press, navigator.push, material page route builder, context second route. Okay. Seems pretty straightforward. That's true, Oxygen. Yeah, that's true. But it helps us half the way there. At least we don't have to look for something. I use an extra React and it helped me a lot. Yeah, so our main project OT, we do React Native. We're building an app called Groovy. And so we've been working on it for like 100 and almost 90 days now. So we've had a lot of experience. We're doing the front end in React, and then we're doing a serverless approach using Golang in the back end. So yeah, definitely stick around for that. Where does the context come from? Or what is the context, I guess? Because I mean, essentially just do navigator. Dot push. It's build context. So do we... we have to pass in some build context? Oh, it's within the build. Oh, right. Gotcha. Yes, good call. Good call out. And then, yeah, let's just take this thing. Oh, we don't have our second route. We should probably make that, right? That would probably be useful. Yeah. Hey, Roybot, why are you learning Flutter then? So last week we reached our sub goal of 100 subs. So the promise was I'd do 120 squats on stream, which we did, and then a whole week of Flutter development. So we're just building a very simple app in Flutter just to learn more about it, show people how to get set up, how to get started with some stuff. And then, yeah, so if you see down below as well, for September, if we get 200 subs by the end of September, we'll do another kind of series like this where we build a simple app using all Swift UI for iOS, and then 200 squats is on the table. Jesus. To 120 consecutive squats. Yes, Ronan, we did that. It was crazy. My legs burnt. quite a bit after that. Okay, let's write another widget then, I guess. We're gonna call this thing, we'll call it Roadster Details .dart. Okay. Yeah. And then I don't think we need this to be a stateful widget. I don't think so. We do class Roadster Details extends stateless widget. I don't think we need it to be. Yeah. You're great. Yes, thank you. Hey, I had to, I had to do it. I had to. I promised. Get our material import in here. Yup. And then we just need our build, right? Yeah, stuff like this. And then finally we don't need init state, we just need widget build context. Yeah. Oh, actually, I don't think we need that, right? Let's do this. And then we can say return. I don't know, text. Hello. Just like that. Duplicate import? Oh, rip. Get out of there. Roadster details. Okay, so we created something very, very simple. Oh, yeah, that should be okay. And so at that point, what we can do is in our table here, we can actually just do Roadster details, but we need to import that. Are you gonna do it for me? Are you gonna do it for me? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Moment of truth time. Do you think it's gonna navigate? Thoughts? Yeah, good call. Yeah, coding guy, Notesy, thanks for that. He's doing Flutter because Dart is nifty. Yes. Getting Alex to switch to Flutter instead of React is an inside joke on the channel. From there, things escalated a bit. Yes, I don't know. I literally don't know how this inside joke started. I really don't. I do think it's because of Rushkey, but I don't know. Here we go. Navigation. We're gonna tap Roadster. I guess all of them would technically work, but tap Roadster should navigate us to a view. Here we go. What the? What is that? Why does it look this way? Oh, and this is okay. Hello. What did I do to make it like this? Why are you underlined and nasty looking? Oh, I didn't put in a scaffold. Yeah, that's a great call out. I think it looks good. Thoughts? You think we're good? Yeah, right? It looks pretty solid. Why are you like this, Flutter? Why are you like this? No, I don't think we can blame this on Flutter. This was definitely an Alec problem. Definitely an Alec problem. Yeah, we should do this. Okay. Let's try to make this a bit more proper. Already better looking than Groovy. Hey! You get out of here, all right? That's rude. Nothing could ever beat Groovy. I'm telling you, once Groovy's done, you all are gonna be like, holy crap. I should have believed Alec and his incredible skills. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen. And I can't wait for the day. Can't wait for the day. Let's try it again. Hello. Leaves. Hey, there we go. All right, let's put an app bar on here. Something dumb. Ron and Bites, thanks for the follow, my friend. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you. Oh, what did I forget here? What did I forget here? App bar. Wait, what? Scaffold? Oh, put it in the wrong spot. Rip. Hot Calfee, thanks for that follow. Welcome. Look at that. Lol. It's that easy. It's that easy, folks. Nice. Very nice. Who's Flutter? Who is Flutter? Great question. Must suppress fire. Just do it, Oxen. Just do it. I can't wait for Groovy, so I can't use it with title. Oh, rip. Hey, we have a feature request for title, though. Nice. So we got some navigation going. This is easy. So we can actually go to our list. We can check off some sort of navigation that has you enter some. Oh, enter something now. Yes, create navigation flow. Get you to details plane. Set up proper table UI, and then set up the rest of our providers to call APIs. So yeah, we're pretty close here. Let's go. Yep, Rooster. What? How is Flutter navigation in comparison to React Native navigation? So, I mean, off the bat, Flutter navigation right now is fantastic. I think it's pretty good. Though I don't think we're doing a lot of crazy navigation. I don't think we're doing a lot of crazy navigation in React Native as well in our project, but I mean, this is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It just worked, so that's really good so far. I like the fact that it's already baked into the platform, which React, it's not. You have to grab another provider for that, which has its pros and cons for sure. Statefully fall, barrel and nowhere. Yes. Yeah, so far it's pretty good. I'm a fan. Glorian, saludes, welcome. Cosmo, thank you for that follow. Welcome to the team. I don't like React navigation with Redux. Yeah, it is kind of weird. Okay, so folks, now we have a couple problems that we're gonna have to figure out. One, we have 3 different sections here, right? These 3 different sections are going to be accessing 3 different APIs, 3 different calls. So what we could do, instead of in our table, because currently right now what's happening is on our init state of our table, we're actually calling, we would actually be calling fetch data for all of our APIs, which doesn't make any sense, right? We shouldn't fetch data unless we need it. The thing is, it would make sense for us to do that for an app like this because it's so small and there's not really much data. It's one API call. But what we could also do to, to make it a little bit better is we could actually set these inside the details views themselves, right? So as we tap on Roadster, we call the API to say, hey, go get the Roadster API data, and then we can funnel it into our view here. So I think that's something that we'll probably want to do, because why not? And I think this data, there isn't, it'll come back quick enough where I don't think we're gonna have a weird view where we're actually waiting for UI to come in. What's up, Tilte? Welcome. When your Redux promise rejects? Oh, interesting. Hot Coffee, you should join our Discord and talk about it with us. I would love to actually, I love doing Redux stuff. I think it's actually really cool. I don't know if I'm like incredible, but yeah. It would be fun. Come on in. If anyone's interested, we have an awesome Discord where you can come ask programming questions, meet some new people, and you can also come and showcase your projects. Come show off what you've been working on, share it with some people, and get some feedback. We'd love to have you. Oh, what if your app blows up and people are calling the API 100,000 times and your API key gets banned? Well, this is a public API with 0 API key. Just a heads up. So if anyone's interested to actually take a look at the SpaceX API, feel free to go check it out right there. It's actually really great. There's no sort of authentication required or anything like that. Just public API usage. So hopefully we won't run into any issues. But yes, okay, so I think we're gonna do that. So pretty much we're gonna take this, we can remove that from here. We're gonna put this in our Roadster details. And at this point, oh, right. We don't have a state. Is this just be a init? Is this a thing? Or should we do it as an init maybe, or state? Pino, thanks for that follow. Welcome. Stateless init state. That's how we do it. Yeah, no, this is a REST API. There is a GraphQL API apparently that I've heard about, but yeah, that's just the REST API. Yeah, SpaceX does have a GraphQL API. Oh man, what was the command for this? Oh crap. Yes, convert. I did it. I remembered it this time. Yeah, there we go. Nice. I remembered it this time. All right, so at this point, we've converted to a stateful widget. Awesome, looks good. And then we have Roadster response. Yeah, I want to import this thing. Also want to import this thing. Oops. Undefined. Wait, it can't find it? Roadster provider. Oh, that's weird. So we do import. Oh, yeah, it's doing the package stuff like that. Have you tried Flutter? That's just so obnoxious. Providers. Uber Eats 23333. Yo, hook me up with that Uber Eats. That'd be awesome. Welcome. Appreciate you being here. Hey, thanks, Otzi. Yeah, appreciate it. Oh, I haven't created the variable. Yeah, good call, good call. Yeah, I mean, I think at the end of the day, this stuff's pretty straightforward, especially like when you do this stuff all the time, you know? It's just a different platform. Where did I hear? Ish. 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 This is what I need to import. Hey. Hey. There it is. Okay, yeah, so our Roadster provider is what's actually fetching our data. And then response.then, print the thing. And then value.details. So what I would love is to actually just create Roadster response model. And then, yeah, dot then we have that. So we could technically just do response equals value, right? Wait, Roadster response model. The value of type roadster cannot be assigned to a variable of type future roadster response model. Oh, I have the same variable name. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Taco Bell say what? Taco Bell say what? Yo, 5 days strong. I had Taco Bell the other day. Rip. Dart thingies. Get food delivered or eat the same thing 3rd day in a row. That's a tough one. I feel like I'd probably be like, I'm ready to get some food delivered. But if you got the food, you should eat it, you know? Roadster variable? Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Okay. So I think we're looking good here. So pretty much at this point. Oh, we can, yo. Okay, we can do this. We can do the title for this thing. It'll just be Roadster. Roadster. And then a body. Let's go ahead and add a column with some children. And then we're gonna do some text. And let's do data dot. Yeah, look at all this fun stuff we have here. Name. Let's do like, I don't know, data dot details. And then we can do text data dot launch date. Let's do launch date UTC. And so now if we tap on this, oh, no such method name. The getter name was called on null. Oh, I see. It's fine for another day in the fridge. Beautiful. Until you get back and there's mold everywhere. Okay, so we're trying to access data, but data actually hasn't returned yet because it's a future. Oh, this is where the future builder comes in. Yeah, okay, that's what I wanted to look at, because I think future builder does something along the lines of, do I not have more here? I thought I saved it. Rip. I think future builder has the ability to essentially say, hey, when I get this future response back, then I'll actually build my UI out. Something along those lines, I think. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, cool, Oats. Yeah, appreciate it, Oatsy. Hey, folks, sorry, 1 second. Yeah, sorry. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right, my bad. All right, so let's see where is this thing? Future. Oh, future builder. I see. So future previously obtained future. Okay, so we pass in calculation is up here somewhere. So we have title. Calculation. I see. HFT Mayo? What's up? Welcome. Hey, thanks for being here, friend. Have a great one. Thanks for the help today. Brainless, curious question, Alec. How do you keep yourself on task and in it while programming? Some people I work with use Pomodoro timers. Yo, that's a great question. For me, usually it's music. So it depends on it depends on the mood I'm looking for, right? So there's a lot of times where I need to stay like really focused in. And so most of the time I'll listen to music kind of like this, like ambient background stuff. That's kind of, I say repetitive, just very similar, kind of low beat. Then when I need to get more like focused, or I like to say hyped up, I usually listen to like heavy metal music. Just like a lot of screaming and heavy guitars and things like that. And then I'm like bouncing around a lot. I would say my focus is probably not as clear there, but it's like I'm in it, you know, I'm ready to get this thing done. And then other things, like distractions, what I try to do is, like, for example, I'll put my phone like face down like this, or like farther away from me. And then I'll put like a mute on my computer notifications if I need to focus on something. So yeah, hope that helps, Brainless. I heard the Pomodoro clock for a lot of people has been very helpful, so. No pocket, no. What is Norwegian porridge? Yeah, what is that? Hey, Yetsin, good morning. Something without lyrics that will not distract me, sorry. Which is Flutter? Which is Flutter? Which is harder, Flutter, React Native? I can't say yet. We'll wait till the end of this week to discuss, Zayed. So make sure you're here. Are you scared of working out? Nah, but you know, like, no, I'm trying to build an app in Flutter. You know what I'm saying? I'm saving up. Yeah, no worries, Brainless. I'm glad it helped. Always down to talk about that stuff. Yeah, I mean, on stream, my productivity is much lower because I want to interact with you all and stuff as well. But I do get into some grooves sometimes when working on stuff, and usually those times I'm like zeroed in on what we're doing. Okay, so future builder. Let's get back to this thing. So future builder, we pass in whatever the future is. Some builder context here, it looks like. And then, so we create a list of widgets, which are our children, okay. And then our children, we just create this thing, add, I guess this is, we actually build it if we have our data. Else, we show another widget. Oh, that's nifty, okay, nice. Can you reverse a linked list in Flutter? Probably not. Rip, that's a good challenge. Algorithms in Flutter. So I wonder if I should make a future builder. I feel like we should create another folder here. So this folder should be called Roadster. And then we can throw that in there. And then that's gonna complain, yeah. We can remove that. That's cool. Yeah, and then let's just put our Roadster future builder in here. Or now I think about it, I wonder if we just do our future builder. I mean, like, our future builder is technically this thing already, right? The details section. Yeah, so maybe we should just keep it in here because we are building our widget. We're just returning a child of future builder. Okay, yeah, maybe let's just keep it like this. Makes a little bit more sense, I suppose. Future builder. Oh, and then we need to pass in the type, which is gonna be Roadster response model, right? Yeah, let's bring this back over here. String, and then we have our future. So first one, future, data. Oh, wait, no, it's not data. It's going to be response. So we can do a response right there. Oh, this is, we actually need to do this then. Oops, right? To have global access to this, say see you later. grab that thing. We are doing the future builder right now, my friend. Do that, and then we can say response. Easy. We ought to save him, just hit him with 5 in a row. Why are you all sabotaging against me, huh? Yeah, it was 14. That was so funny. What's up, Brenner? Imagine VS Code still not knowing how to fix imports in 2020. Nah, never. Oh, the command plus. Good call out. Rip. Can I... All right, hold on. Let's do this. Let's do this. I got this. I got this. No, it's future. I can do future builder like this. And then can I go... I don't have it for future builder. Doesn't work. What do you expect from your mods? I have no idea. Dynamite, welcome back. Yeah, it was from Aaron. Your boy Aaron coming and gifting all those subs. Like a champ. Like a champ. Yeah, I'm doing control plus. Or no, control period. Okay, there we go. It's control period on our end. Yeah, command period. This song is lit. Do you have a title for me? Sure, Robert. This thing is called... Where are you? Scandinavians. Goddamn Scandinavians. Okay, here we go. So we do this, and then this is our snapshot. So then we can say, I guess we just start building our crap, right? If snapshot has data. Snapshot dot has data. So this is a pretty fancy thing here. Okay. Yeah, thanks for that, Aaron, by the way. Why are you using 2 sets of peripherals? This one right here is for my stream PC or my gaming PC, and then this one's for my Mac. What you're seeing right now is actually my Mac being capture carded in. Oloium, thanks for that follow. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you. Okay, and I think here, all we have to do is now just create our... Yeah, just create our data. So we can do probably the same thing here. Just create a children widget, our list widget here. And then we can say, how do they do this? Yeah, okay. Children just equals some widget array thing. Right, did I do that right? Oops. And then we can say text. Snapshot dot data dot name, and then we can do snapshot data. What else did we do? We did, I think, details, and then we did earth distance in miles. Or should we do earth distance, miles, and we should do kilometers, right? For our other friends here. We'll do both. We shall do both. Can I wrap this in a string? Is this a thing? It doesn't have a default constructor. I was born not too far from there. Nice. You should use Synergy to seamlessly move to the other screen with the same keyboard and mouse, you know? Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that when I get my new monitor. I've been wanting to redo my setup. Essentially, my new setup is going to be probably NDI from my MacBook instead of, I have a capture card that I'm using. But yeah. Can you explain real quick what Future Builder is? Oh yeah, so Future Builder is essentially, we're calling an API. This API is asynchronous, right? Which means that when it gets called, it doesn't return data right away, right? We have to wait for it to come back with the data, and then we have to decode it and do stuff like that. So in Flutter, Future Builder allows us to pass in this future object. And once it's done decoding, it will say, hey, we have this data, now you can create your UI based off of it. So right here, we're checking to see if the data is actually there. If the data is actually there, then we can start creating these little text elements here that we're going to return and display in the UI. So we'll show that to you in a minute. Yeah, good question though. You can directly return this list inside if it's part, there's no need to create a variable. Oh, true. Nice coding guy. Oh, toString. Good call, good call. Liu121212, welcome. Nice to have you here, friend. Thanks for that follow. Woo! It's a lit. Oh, but we have to throw it inside a widget, right? That's what I was gonna do. So we could also do, we could just wrap this in a column, right? I was following this example here. Yeah, so they just return. Yeah, okay. That's cool. Let's just do this for now. Column. I think I'm gonna want to column children. Yeah, this is just cleaner. You know, it's all about being clean. Oh, baby, you see that right there? It's lit, fam. Did you mean column? Yeah, did I put column? Yeah, no problem, Cosmo. Circular progress indicator? Oh, baby. Yeah, we should do that, right? Hell yeah. Why did it have error out for a little bit? What is that error? Children does not equal null is not true. What? Children does not equal null is not true. So children equals null? Why? What? Oh, did I forget to remove something from here? No. Seems sort of weird. Well, so you can see we have the Earth distance in miles and the Earth distance in kilometers as well. We have the name of the Roadster, Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster, and then we have a description of what the Roadster is. So this is all coming from the SpaceX API right now, by the way, which is really exciting. Yeah, Brenner, that's how we do it here. Yeah, I guess that's what it is, right? Instead of, I just don't know why it's throwing an error though. Like, why is it, oh, failed assertion, so maybe it's not error? Yeah, it's just weird. I don't like it. So it was child circular progress indicator. Here we go. Easy. So there's obviously a tad bit of latency here. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it fixed it. There's a very, very small amount of latency, but it's there. Okay, cool. So we're good to go then. By the way, yesterday my Tesla got an update which enables speed limit sign recognition outside the US. Oh, dude, yeah, I got the same one yesterday too. I was wondering what that was. It's pretty wild, huh? I'm excited. I think there's some updates with speed control in general, where it will actually start using the camera to detect speed limits via the signs, which is really cool. So I haven't driven, but hopefully one day it will. One day soon. Nice. Okay, so now that we got that, I mean, that looks pretty snazzy. That's what we wanted. So the big goal here is now we want to kind of stylize it like this, right? Pretty much like that. Maybe we can do like Elon's Roadster, you know, something like that. And then we can add a little bit of fanciness for the data and go from there. So let's try to stylize it like that a little bit. First thing we need to do is set the background color of this scaffold. Oh, but yeah, that should be good. That should be good. So we want background color, pretty much the same sort of deal around here. Oh, wait, we can put the theme data here. Yeah, I forgot. Okay. Since we are, yeah, we're literally calling this, have you tried Flutter? Is the title. And then we can do, is there a background color? There is. Let's go. But there's a scaffold background color. Yeah, that's what we want. So scaffold background color then is going to equal to space data table. Let's go ahead and grab this color, which means we can do that. Just like that, should be pretty easy. Nice. So now all of our scaffolding should have the same color. We should do the same thing for font as well. Yeah, let's do it. Top-notch design. Who designed that? Ya boy Alec right here. That's me. I did that. I don't know if that's sarcasm or not, but if not, thank you. If so, I hate you. Okay. Nice, Auction. That's cool to know. I'll let you know when I drive. See, let's go. The cloud be redeemed. Time for sit stand. Rip. Okay, time to squat it up, folks. Hey, squat it with me right now, okay? We're raising the desk. Let's squat. Let's squat. Get that squat up, baby. Woo-wee. Dynamite, we'll get you a Tesla one day. One day it'll happen. Yes. Woo! Got him. Thanks for redeeming your points here. Let's go. Let's get that spinal fluid moving, eh? Okay, so we do that. Let's also do a text theme. Auction is a sit. Oh no. Oh no. All right, here we go. We're going back down. We're squatting it back down. Everyone get that squat back down to the floor. Real nice and low. Here we go. I just began ignoring chat, yes. Yeah, buddy. Okay. All right. One full squat. I like it. Oh, text theme. Yep. And then we can do text theme here and pass in our, oh, whoa, it has all this fanciness? Okay. Oh, or we just pass in the entire, yeah, Google Fonts. Man, so we can get like, we can get pretty nifty with a lot of this stuff. What do we use? We use Space Mono. Space Mono text theme. Yo, easy, dude. There we go. All right. And then, so that means also in our table row, we can say, oh, we want to do a color and a font size though, right? How do you get those error backgrounds? What's up, No Kappa? Are you talking about in VS Code? If so, we use this thing called Error Lens, which is, where are you? Error Lens is right here. It's just a VS Code plugin. Yeah, it's really useful. Highly recommend it. Works for a lot of languages so far. JavaScript, Dart. Golang as well so far, yeah. No, don't worry, B. I totally get you. It happens. C is too close to X. I get it. Kalan V, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the team. Yeah, no problem, Kappa. Just the squat routines. Oh God. Okay. I guess we're gonna have to add in a official squat redeem. Should we? I don't know. I kind of like the raise and lower desk redeem. I think it's better because it's like it's a two-way, you know, two-way redeem. Text set. Can my text theme include? Yes, remove all these comments. What does a text theme? Oh, so you can pass in an array of text themes? Is that what it is? To every text style in the given text theme. Yeah, because now I just want to add I guess the color. I want to add the size and the color pretty much. Just lower the point requirement then? No! Lower it to 1 point, my God, then we'll never do any coding. I'll do squats all stream. We'll have to have a stream that's just like, you know, the people that do like the workout streams? We'll just start that. Get thick squat stream. Yeah, I'll have to change it to sports and fitness. Default text color. Flutter theme. I guess I want to look at text theme. Oh, I see. Get coder thick. Yeah, there we go, B. Do you have a software engineering day job or you're just stream? I have a software engineering. I do have a software engineering day job. Yes, Brenner. Yeah, I stream before I start work. No, that's a T slogan. I know. I like that. It's a good one. Oh, inside the Google font? Wow. Inside the Google font theme? Okay. I guess we just pass in text theme? Yeah, the thing is that we have all of this, so I guess, like... Theme of... What is theme of here? But we don't have, like, do we have context here? No, we don't even have, like, context available here and such. Accent text theme? Primary text theme? I feel like this is weird. How nerds can get junk in their trunk. You guys are ridiculous. Is your a software role web dev related? No, sort of, not really. So I mean, sort of. So I work with React Native, so not really, but yeah, in a way, yeah. Hey Tim, do you still like Dart? I still do like Dart. Yeah, it's been fun. Yo, Kalan, welcome. Yes, I'm glad to have you here. Yo, I'm here for you. We're working together, doing our thing. Hope you're having a great work day. Let me know what you're working on, by the way. Lethenberg, hey, what's up? It is like having a coworker. Hell yeah. We're all in it together. All in it. Is it still nifty? It is 100% nifty. I do like it. I'm here. Yeah. So I yeah. So I work at Microsoft. I work on the Xbox beta app for PC. If any of you are gamers here, so yeah, that desktop app. So technically, it's like web dev, but not really, because we use React Native. Kappa, don't say that. Stop. I can't figure out how to get the freaking colors here. Hey, Spart, there's a lot of people on Twitch that don't play games, ironically enough. I've come across a lot of people. Okay, I'm thinking right now, just thinking past this, we're just gonna do this real quick. For some reason, I can't understand why I can't get the color. So we just gonna go like this. We gonna go like this. I don't want to work too. I don't want to work too hard. Rip. Oh crap! But we should probably do something like this. Oh, I already got it. Oh. Yeesh. Yeesh. There we go. Now that should be much prettier. Prettier-ish. Hey, there it is. Okay, getting it done. I'm working on a report at the moment about a Python script I wrote to automate planning for a particular part of Amazon's supply chain. Oh, dope, man. That sounds awesome. Enjoy it. Design themes. Yeah, I was looking through the themes, Roars, and I don't know, I couldn't figure it out, and I just didn't. I was literally looking at that page, I think. Yeah. Oh, I guess we would have to use a headline. Oh, I see. Maybe we just put it. Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. Maybe we just put it all as body. I don't know. Let's go do that. I was just getting tired of looking at the same thing, so I was like, screw it. Let's just not do it. But maybe we should do this here. Booty. The booty. Text theme? Wait. Text theme. Body. Body one. Wait, what? Text style. Okay. Why is it crossed out like that? That's weird. That didn't work out as I planned. Okay. Please bear with me as you see all these errors popping up. I know it's triggering me as well. Please, please hold. It is also triggering me as well. Let's grab that. Get that out of here. Booyah. Booyah. Body is deprecated and shouldn't be used. This is a term used in 2014 version of Material Design. The modern is body text 2. Okay. Body text 2. Why do you have it there if it's depreciated? Or deprecated. I always say depreciated. What did I forget? Oh, I forgot a extra paran? Yeah, there we go. All right, thanks for that, Roars, by the way. How many people use Apple products for development at Microsoft? It depends on what you're working on, Brenner. So like so obviously there's things like Outlook for mobile, right? Or Outlook for Mac. So in order to develop for the Apple ecosystem, you have to run it on a Mac OS machine. So usually the teams do stuff like that. But most of the time people are developing on Windows machines because like we use Microsoft tech, right? And a lot of it's built for Windows, so it makes sense to use that stuff. But yeah, hope that answers your question. Wondering how you came to make it look so easy. Oh, Brender Dev, thanks for the follow, by the way. Colin, there was nothing easy about how I've gotten here. I promise you that. It's been a lot of work, and it has been difficult for me as well. I don't consider myself to be like the best developer out there in the world, but I do consider myself to be someone that's really passionate about programming. And also like just like I think I'm a very hard worker and doing things that I'm really passionate about. So all you gotta do is keep trying, and I promise you, you'll get there. Yeah. I usually consider myself to be a scrappy developer, you know, like I learn things on the go. Like I learn by just doing them, and it might not be the right way the first time around or the second or the third, but eventually it'll be like, okay, I finally have learned all the things that like can hopefully get me to that point, you know? So I hope that helps you out, my friend. That's what upsets me about Apple. Hey, Reneri. Oh, in regards to the ecosystem stuff. Yeah. Yeah, we've had that talk a lot on here about that. It's an interesting take for sure. Alanwood, hello. What do you get when you ask a lemon for help? A lemonade. Oh, got him. Great joke. Thanks for the dad joke. We don't consider you to be the best developer either. Wow, Roars, thank you. Great. Humble flex. Really? I was Flutter. Yeah, I tried Flutter on 2020. Thanks, Marco. What's up, Rowler? Welcome. Pratik, welcome. I'm gonna leave now. Yeah, get out of here. The only thing that keeps the Apple ecosystem so tightly integrated are the blue chat bubbles. I don't know. I like Apple products a lot. I think Apple has they've done a great job in their ecosystem. There are a lot of things that I don't like about them, but I think in general, a lot of the stuff out there is just, it's pretty good. And unfortunately, I don't think many other companies have really gotten to that level. So that's kind of like my take on it, but like I can understand a lot of issues that have been happening, especially as of late. So what was I gonna do here? Oh yeah. So if I just use body text, does that mean I just do body text too? Or text? What's the other thing I do here? How do I get it to just be a body text too? Text direction, soft wrap, double, text height. Do I have to do a style? Text style? Set text style as body text to Flutter. Oh, I see, Redder. Yeah, I'm getting a 3080 for the PC I'm gonna build soon. Hey, nice, Rowler. Yeah, we got a few of us in here that are going for that 3080. I hope we can all get it. Hope we can do it. I'm a data scientist, and ever since I was young, I always dreamed of dyeing my hair, but now I'm balding and I can feel my hairline recede every day. Do I still dye my hair? Yo, Alan. Dude, my thoughts, man. I hope, I don't know why this made me, man, it just hit me in the feels. I don't know. If you want to dye your hair, you should dye your hair. Just do it. It's up to you. I would agree, Brenner. Yeah, I would agree. Getting a 1080? Hey, Isaac, nice. Hey, there you go. It happens. Kiepa. Wait, how do I use this thing? This is what I'm trying to understand. The names, so it's text theme class. Does everything just become does it just work? Like, is that how it works? Zader, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Nice to have you. Let's take away the style here. Oh, I think it just works. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Yeah, this is in details. This is the view we're at. Hey, looking good. No Kappa Jack. Thanks for the follow as well. Welcome. Oh, I see Rowler. Nice. Heck yeah. Oh, I see auction. Yeah. So let me tell you, as someone who came from using like a Mac as a personal machine, all I have to say is you can make your Windows machine very similar to your dev environment on your Mac. Obviously you're going to miss a couple things, but at this, like, it's awesome. I'm actually really happy with my Windows dev experience. And like, if I didn't build stuff for the Apple ecosystem, I'd probably dev on a Windows machine. Like, it's pretty good. Didn't you see the Kappa? I did, Isaac, I did. That's why I said Kappa. Do it, Alan. Yeah, best of luck. Your keys are so rattly? Really? I think they're great. I love my Keytron. I think it's a great keyboard. Imagine, Kappa. Imagine. Since Windows 10 to dev on Windows, what's up, Ronan? Yeah, I think it's good. Like, I was scared, not gonna lie. I was like, I'm gonna hate this. This is gonna suck. It turned out to be a really awesome experience, actually. So, my 2 cents there. Text style. Can we do? Oh, right. No, we can do since everything is centered already here, I think what I want to do is actually wrap. Can I wrap this in a center? And then the center here could be what? Oh, I don't think I can do it. I want to center it horizontally. Is it a line? Do they have an align? No, I'm pretty sure it's still text style. Or style. Text style. Align? Is there no align here? Hello? Oh, I spelled it wrong. That's probably why. Damn it. Is there no line here though? Really? I thought there was. Text baseline. Oh, or is it on the container? I think it's on the container. I don't know why this align stuff like messes with my head so much. Children. Okay, so main, if it's column, then that would be main. Cross axis alignment would be, what does this thing return? Cross axis alignment. Start. Yeah, okay. So there you go. So you'll see that now it's left aligned. We should be good. Yeah, exactly, Alan. Ubuntu is another good one. I use Arc, by the way. Oh, okay, nice. Windows user against any Apple ecosystem, and then Windows 10 got my transition to Mac only. Peak was having to use Linux Docker containers on Windows, which turned out into bloating the machine with huge Linux VMs or having to restart the machine every hour as Hyper-V randomly decided to screw everything. Yeah, I've heard a lot of issues around Hyper-V. RIP. Wrap with padding. If you use column, you just wrap the column with the whole text would be done. Well, so I want to do a cross alignment here, and then pad the text in general. I think we should be good. Best of luck, Alan. Scary times. Oh, nice, Oxygen. Yeah, the 16-inch MacBooks are pretty slick. Hey, Apple event next week. It's pretty exciting. Oh yeah, that is the meme. You didn't put the kappa at the end. I couldn't get it. I don't know. RIP, man. Okay, so let's add some padding around this. Oops, wrong one. Padding. What do I want to do? I don't know. We'll do like what do I have here? 15. And then Oh, can I just do, yeah. Nice. So yeah, you'll see that's pushed out there. So left, and then top right, and then bottom left. Let's add a bottom here. I don't know, how much spacing do we want to go down here? About 30, so double it. Sounds like a good time to me. There we go, look at that. Now we're getting somewhere. Sweet. And then we should probably wrap our details also in some padding. Look, see, I'm using the hotkeys. Let's go. I'm getting good. I'm getting good at Flutter. And then I want to push this out, say double. Oh, that's not right. Hey, nice. It's a yo, yo, good point, Jack. I'll remember that for next time. Looking forward to seeing what they're up to, but I feel like it might be worth keeping my private MacBook Pro to me for another year or two. Yeah, I agree, Oxygen. I'm on the same boat. I don't know, I'm excited for some AR stuff. I love AR. It's so cool. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. We'll see what happens. And then, yeah, like, I mean, obviously there'll be some new phone coming out, hopefully. I'm not really like, I'm not super like stoked about it or anything like that. I think it's just gonna be another iPhone, you know, like it usually is, unfortunately. Oh, accidentally took a screenshot. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. This is what I want to do bottom on. Nice. Okay, so this is pretty close to our design, sort of. So again, this is all coming from our API call, which is freaking awesome. Never buy Apple first gen ones, buy the second and third, so it's worth the money. Yeah, it's true. I wouldn't disagree. I think the Apple Watch is a good example of that. First gen Apple Watch was very beta. Oh, really, Aaron? Oh, interesting, huh? I haven't actually read that. Tuan, thanks for that follow. Welcome to the team, by the way. Alec wants AR so he can augment his wife. Feels bad, man. The leak of the new iPhone Pro looks sick. However, it is a lot away from me right now. Oh, nice. Yeah, that makes sense. I have the iPhone upgrade program, so. Since you mentioned develop a desktop application, is there any money in developing desktop apps if you're not in the Windows Mac ecosystem relative to mobile? Is it worth exploring? I think that's an interesting question. I feel like desktop apps are one of those things where they can either be extremely useful, or it's like, why do I download this thing when I can just go to the website and use it, right? So I think the right answer is it depends. It depends on what you're building. Like, for example, if you're a company that sells something like games and you want your whole install system and things like that, probably desktop app would be much better than going through a website, right? But yeah, I say mobile apps are more relative than desktop apps now, but mobile apps definitely seem to be more like, they definitely seem to be more along the lines of you can almost do a lot of things on the web. It just depends on what type of experience you want, because with mobile apps you get a much more native experience with the OS, right? Which I think is I don't think many people realize it, but it's a really important thing for them. Thanks, Ronan. Taco Bella Chan. Yeah, Kappa. I mean, it depends. I personally really enjoy desktop apps. I enjoy apps in general. I'd rather download an application than use a website most of the time. But yeah, it kind of depends on what you're working with and like the target audience you're seeking. Like, do most audience that you're seeking have like what type of machine do they use, right? Is it easier for them just to access a website? Do you need it quick? Like, there's obviously a lot of stuff that goes into this that you can think of. Okay, yo, this is great. This is great. Yeah, that's also true, Roars. But again, the React Native desktop stuff that's coming out is freaking sick. It's freaking awesome. It's like, it's amazing. So keep a lookout for that if you're a React dev and you're looking for native desktop apps. What do you think of Flutter until now? What's up, Sizzin? I'm enjoying it. I think it's pretty good. Like, for our very simple app, like we've set up API calls, we've set up navigation, we've set up a list view with some data. We've designed some stuff. Like, overall, I think it's pretty good. And I definitely can understand why people want to use it. I'm still kind of triggered by the way that things are designed or the UI is built, but I think overall it's been pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Ronan. I agree with you, friend. Yeah, Ronan bites. I just wanted to give you crap for that answer. Why? I think if you don't solve a very highly professional task like music composing, picture video editing, I think much of monetization shifts to a service-based monetizing approach. Oh, I see, Auction. Yeah, that's a good thought too. React Native desktop. Yeah, if you haven't seen. Take a little look-see. Boom, React Native Windows for Windows. And then there's also React Native Mac OS. These are all open source. So yeah, there's people working on it. It's a thing. Spartan, that's literally, I've never thought of it like that. It's so true. That's hilarious. What is wrong with the world? Open source. See, it's some open source. All right, friends, I think that's going to be the end of today's stream. Let's go ahead and write what we did today. And go from there. Oh, I guess, yeah. Let's just go ahead and add this, I guess. It's good. I think Electron was a great way to start. It was a great starting point here. But yeah, I don't know. I'm excited to see what else happens. All right. What did we do today? Yeah, buddy. What we did today. Let's do day number 2. Day number 1. So today we did a lot of fancy UI stuff. Created a table list of items to select. Created a details pane for the Roadster API call. And then set up future builder and some fancy navigation. All right, so then what are we gonna do next time, which is tomorrow? Finish styling our details pane. Why do I keep writing pain? P-A-I-N. Oh God. You can add an actual spacer in Bear? Can you? Yo, how do you do that? How? Tell me. 3 dashes? No way. Hey, yo, that's awesome. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. Oh, it's actually 3 dashes in Markdown. Oh, I actually didn't know that. Cool. Yeah, I didn't know that about Markdown. I feel like I learned a lot of Markdown stuff. Nice. Let's go. Okay, cool. Thank you. So, okay, so finish staying our details. What am I writing? Finish styling our details pane here. And then what do we do next? Set up rest of our providers for SpaceX API. Yeah, so this is pretty much set that up and then finish proper navigation. So those are for actually fetching our data and then talk about stuff. Woo! Folks, thanks for being here today. That was great. I think we got a lot. I mean, we got a solid amount done. Have you used OpenAPI Swagger to generate client server code? I have not, Brandless, no. Sounds good, Rowler. Appreciate it. Poll time, yes. Folks, before we head out, we got a bit of a problem. Okay, let me give you the lowdown of what's going on. Currently, we have a lot of subs in the channel. First of all, thank you for that. Secondly, as a affiliate here on Twitch, you only have enough. You only get a certain amount of slots no matter how many subs you get on your channel. Olaf, by the way, thank you for that follow. So it kind of sucks because no matter how many subs we get from now on, until I become a partner here on Twitch, I can only have the same amount of slots, but I want more emotes. So the question is, I want to know what you all think about potential new emotes for the channel and replacing some of them. Sub hype? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wait, is this? No, okay. I don't know what to do. So I wanted to put a poll up and I wanted to see just get good in mid partner. I wanted to see what you all thought about the emotes we should have. So currently, let me see if I can pull them up real quick. Let's see if we can pull this thing up. Edda, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Redo Kappa and Pog? Kappa and Pog. Really? I want the Clubby's cat. I want her cat too. I want Tesla. Okay, hold up. Let me see if I can get these things here. Oh! Wait, we gotta... No. Sometimes I can't even remember... Let's see. I'm gonna pull up the ones that we got right now real quick. Where are you? Yeesh. Okay, so we got this. 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 And we got this. All right, let me go ahead and get these all thrown up here. Mods, you're gonna have to help me because I forgot the tiers for the for these as well. So please. Oh, and we got hack. We got hack as well. Rip. Hold on. Oh God. I gotta put these over here. All right, here we go. We got this, we got them all. Happy trees to you. Happy trees, I guess. So these are the ones we got. Though, why don't I have hack? Where is hack? Where's hick? Hack I'm gonna throw here in chat. That's hick. That's our tier 2. But these are the ones we got. And the Cloud Bee has been helping me out with some emotes. And we have one, RIP, which I don't want to show you yet because I want it to be a surprise. But thoughts on replacing any of these? We're going to throw a poll up. That's what, yes, that was the next step. Replace one for RIP. Oh, and there's a kick. Let's see. Place confused. Okay, hold on. I gotta make the poll. Confused. Yeah. Kappa. Salute. Pog. Can I add more? All right, we'll put this poll up. There we go. You need a weird champ Eskimo? Okay. Get rid of LOL? Okay. Pixel haha. Stop, guy. Cap is far too cool for you? Nah. You're probably right. Yeah, I don't know how to do multi-vote on here, unfortunately. Because I don't know why it's not haha. RIP. Okay, maybe we change it. But anyways, the poll is up. Go cast your votes. Essentially is replace one of these to figure out which one we should replace here. We have confused, yeah. Confused, yeah. Kappa, salute, pogs, lol. Kappa's getting it. Yeah, no, man, no, I love Kappa. Oh, I forgot hack. Yeah, it's true. I did forget hack. The thing is, hack is tier 2. I don't think we have many tier 2, if any. Yeah, these are pretty much the tier. Wait. Oh, except confused is not tier 1, I guess. So it would be these 5 technically. RIP. So it would be these. Yeah. Yeah, I do always forget hack. But yeah, that's our thoughts. Confused is tier 3. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. This is what I'm saying. I want to put all these at tier 1 because I get it. Not everyone wants to sub at 2 or 3. So I want to get all these at 1, but we got to make partner. That's the problem. I need you to help me get there, folks. Yeah, you're old. Yeah, you're old. Feels bad. Yes, but okay, that sounds good. It looks to me like we're going to be replacing Kappa. Child. Okay. All right. So we'll replace that with either a rip or a kick. We'll do one of those. We'll do one of those coming up soon. Yes. Okay, folks. Oh, I guess the poll's still going. I don't think there's many more votes there. That is cool. Let's go ahead. Sirens? Yeah, I don't know. The song is Sirens, I guess. There we go. All right. And the votes are in. We got them. We got them going. Kappa it is. No, none of that. Thanks for being here again, folks. Hope you enjoyed today's stream. Appreciate ya. If you're new to the channel and you liked what you saw, would love to have you back. I do dev streams 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And we do a game stream or a podcast stream on Saturdays. This Saturday, we're doing a podcast stream. We're having a fellow streamer here on Twitch, Crossenstein, come in and talk about how he developed his game studio and how he got started here on Twitch and in general. So make sure you're here this weekend for that. And feel free to check out our podcast here and on YouTube if you're interested. We have the audio and video. I do Brainless, yeah, before my day job. Yep. And then yes, thanks Funge. Make sure you join our Discord. Our Discord has a lot of really cool people in it. Come ask questions, come get some advice on anything program related, come talk to people, and come showcase your projects. Would love to have you here to show me what you're working on and all that fun stuff. And at the end of every stream, folks, I always love throwing a nice little raid. So I started a new raid message, but I haven't updated the command because I'm a bad streamer. So the new raid message that we're going to be using is going to be this guy. Yes, and showcase your pets. Yes, it's also a good one. Salute y salutes. That's what we're going for today. Yeah. Thank you, B. Yes, busy streamer. Yes, thank you. Yes, folks, we're gonna throw a nice raid today. I think we should go raid. You know what we raid in a while? Layla Codes It. She's another programming streamer here on Twitch. Looks like she's doing ASP.NET and C#. Okay, all right. See ya, Yag. Thanks for hanging out. Let's go show her some love and show her a saluteful Pixelogic raid. Hey. I appreciate you all being here. I hope you enjoyed. Tomorrow's our last day of Week of Flutter. So I hope you're here to hang out and see the project finally done, talk about some differences between Flutter and React Native, and then, yeah, get our code up on GitHub so you can take a look. So enjoy the raid. Let's show Layla some love. Peace and love, friends. See you next time. Peace.